You will sleep tonight, then I will cut your hair.
No, I don't fight you.
So we've got sugar and pati or tea and some milk. So I'm just with my mother-in-law right now. Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, sa dilaw ng buwan. Talagang paborito eh, no?
Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please subscribe. Thank you.
So this is something funny, guys. Our stick kebab is not holding on to the stick. So we have to fry like this better in order to cook it. So we're going to make the tea. I think we need to put like this too. Huh?
No, the flat one.
Yeah, the flat one. Give me the flat one.
Because flat one will make it stable, na?
No, I need another one. Put from that side.
Musa, let's go some ball ball.
Oh, some goti fell there, Shabbat.
Huh?
Some goti fell.
No, that's kebab.
I feel like I want to take it. Where are you guys going?
That's for
So we've got sugar and pati or tea and some milk. So I'm just with my mother-in-law right now because Musa and the kids, they're walking outside. They're so full. I think Shabas is full because they eat a lot of kebab.
बड़े जी कोयले वाली चाहिए
हाँ जी,
बड़े जी बहुत टेस्टी होती है कोयलों की पर जो चाय बनती है
हाँ, the one here in this.
हाँ इसकी बहुत अच्छा टेस्ट आता है
हाँ, it seemed like नहीं बोल.
ऐसे करो ना भतीजा दूसरी देश की लेके आओ ना इसमें दूध ज्यादा साथ इधर गर्म करो फिर वीडियो अच्छी बनेगी
अच्छा.
पत्ती और चीनी को अच्छी तरह पकाओ दूध को इधर ज्यादा बॉइल करो फिर उसको दूध ऊपर डालो उसके ऊपर
First I boil ना, then pati.
मैंने YouTube पे देखा था चाय का ना उसे जो लड़की थी ना उसने पहले इसी तरह चीनी पहले पानी को पकाया फिर उसके अंदर उसने पत्ती डाली है पत्ती डाल के उसने बीच में फिर चीनी डाली है कश्मीरी चाय का नाम उसने दिया
अच्छा, I want to make Kashmiri chai.
हाँ तो कहता है ये मैं
Hi, inshallah guys, next time I'm gonna show you how to make the Kashmiri chai because I love Kashmiri chai. It's tasty and it's something like a specialty because I think it's not often.
उसकी जो पतीले लगा मिलती है उसकी पहले अगर प्रैक्टिस करना ना फिर उसको बनाना
अच्छा, and it's color pink, so that's the best thing about Kashmiri chai.
हाँ
गुलाबी.
कश्मीरी चाय गुलाबी और ये पाकिस्तानी चाय है
हाँ, this Pakistani chai. हमें जी boil ना बाद boil पत्ती डाली ना.
हाँ
It takes time.
अगर आप दूध ज्यादा इसको बॉइल करोगी नहीं ना तो उसका टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा आएगा कोयलों में
जी जी. आप walking अभी है ना? You know, in Philippines, after kana kalas na, we go out of the house in the night, only walking outside the house. 1, 2 times, 3 times. So the food will digest easily in the night. We call it patantan in Antique. Patantan. But patan, not patanami. We call it patantan.
Oh no.
Cook pina?
थोड़ी सी एक होती है बस
magkukok ko and then magti-tea. Kala tomorrow become crazy. Both washing. Both this one
खाला नहीं बस वो सर पे ना हो तो खाला बस काम ऐसी करती है।
माशाल्लाह I'm full. Alhamdulillah. शुक्र alhamdulillah.
अच्छा बन गया था ठीक है।
But it is not boiling still. Maybe I put It's nice to do like this, Amri. In Philippines, na, we go to the beach, we swim, बाद make barbecue.
अच्छा
बहुत nice है.
बहुत उधर भी सऊदी अरब जिधर हम लोग जाते थे पार्क में ना तो रियाज से
अच्छा है in the park barbecue.
हाँ उधर ये
Picnic for family.
हाँ ये जो कहाँ से इस्लाम पार्क लेके गया था अहमद एक और पार्क का उसका क्या नाम है वहाँ पे ईद का चौथा दिन था लोग अपने साथ अरबी पाकिस्तानी इंडियन इतने बड़े बड़े कोट और साथ ही ये गिट्टियाँ साथ ही सीखे वहाँ पे इतनी अच्छी स्मेल आ रही थी मनी मार के क्या यम्मी जी एक सीख दे मैंने एक बोटी दे दे इतनी अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है
Then different spices है
इधर साथ साथ सबने इधर गिट्टियाँ ऐसी जलाई थी इधर 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 इतनी खुशबू आ रही थी वीडियो भी बनाई हुई है मैंने
I think आप मुझे बहुत मिस होती है आप बहुत मिस होती है
तो अल्लाह का घर है
हाँ जी माशाल्लाह
माशाल्लाह सऊदी अरब बहुत प्यारा है बहुत खूबसूरत जगह है इंशाल्लाह लेके जाए आपको इंशाल्लाह हाँ वहाँ की होटल की चाय खाना बहुत टेस्टी बहुत अच्छा मैं काशी के साथ उमरे पे गई तो होटल के सामने ही वो शॉप थी ना तो वो अपना वो कबाब बना रहा था कबाब साफ चाय भी बना रहा था फिर मैं उधर बैठी
This is nice about the Middle East ना बहुत nice food खाना
बहुत अच्छा है माशाल्लाह उधर अहमद भाई जिस होटल में लेके गया उधर बुफे सिस्टम था
बुफे यार जी
माशाल्लाह
I miss you remember in Bahrain buffet Shabazz taking us to buffet
बहुत ज्यादा माशाल्लाह इतने कम से कम कितने 21 के 25 खाने थे सारी बुफे में फिर वो स्वीट में कितने किस्म के मीठे बने हुए थे फिर ये रसगुल्ले बर्फी ये आइसक्रीम भी 5 फ्लेवर की लगी हुई थी माशाल्लाह खा के वो छोटे गोश्त की चांपे वो अहमद और काशिफ ने बहुत खाई है चांपे
जन्नत है बहुत पे
जी
Yes Ami
क्या सब फिर मन में अच्छा लगता
कम मुझे लगता है कम
घंटा है ना बाद हमें आगे रेडी है ना now बहुत टाइम आप walk Shabazz I'm telling Amiji to walk with you because still it's not boiling once it's boiling at least when she comes back it's good Isa no don't touch anything no please baby go Amiji I'll put the patty
वो कहती पीपना ठीक है मेरा पीपना मैं पीपनी हो गई से
This is the tea guys this is how it is here see so in Philippines we have it in the tea bag but here it's open so this is what we use here when making tea
Go inside. Go there.
वो बाबूजी
Just put it on the bottom of this here.
I'm telling Amiji to go now so that when she comes back then it's cooked over
आज मैं walk करेंगे आज मैं.
हाँ.
We'll go together. Just finish the tea. We'll go together.
yes just Put them inside. Then we have to feed the boys also. We have to feed them because I told you guys they don't eat this meat. It's difficult to feed them.
ये है ना भाई रोज का
That's why,
मॉर्निंग
you know,
को
we
चटना
cannot-
पड़ता है
Take them to eat with us. This
Yeah,
here,
put it
Shabas.
this. Here.
It's left and right. Now if I will fly alone and these boys are big now, what I will do? I will shout Dharma, the superhero. Shabas, this is oil. Okay, just leave this here.
Musa. There is this one also. Gather all the stuff. Get me. हाँ जी
सीखो का चिकन
वो छोटी वाली ना माँ छोटी वाली
वो किसी अच्छी की के लिए ना
This is the choti, this one. Skewer.
जाएगी ना वो जिस तरह वो किसी टूटी
Acha, the one.
You're
from-
meeting your brother?
Sure, I don't know which way. Can you take this out?
Okay, let
first?
me take this first and I'll take the milk. Wait, just let me have because he is taking the milk. You just control this boy.
It's okay, it's open.
You don't behave.
It becomes slow motion, Amiji. Still kacha. And then of course, pag nilipat na natin siya dito sa cup, we have to use this.
Come here, Musa.
आई थिंक फिर अब आप इधर लिख दे
Kanina pa yun, it takes time for the water to boil in this. Parilyahan. We call this parilyahan.
मेरे बाबू मारते नहीं आना
अच्छा
माशाल्लाह बहुत बड़ा मेरा सारे भरावां
We wish. Tingnan mo man. Wow, Tito. Ashishi. Isasi. You're the small Kanyaman of Mama. John Bay? John Bay? Your mama's John Bay? Oh, wow, look at you. Look at my Tito. Hi. Hi.
It will boil.
No. Ba't ito eh? It smells like a ball. I'll put now the food. Because we will wait like an 8 hour for the food to boil.
बहुत अच्छे वाले गाने हैं।
Ayun
Let's go
po.
and come. Let's go walk. मेरा नहीं भाई।
What about this?
It will ना, it will take time ना।
Acha. Acha.
Buddha, come. Let's go for a walk. Come.
So we're just gonna go for a walk and we're just gonna leave that here. And we'll just come back.
Buddha, let's go. Come.
Come.
Hold BG.
He's done.
It's my phone.
Don't break my bones. My bones I have to fix.
अच्छा बाजू का कह रहे हैं
These many bones here. This is my bones.
It's a candle.
Buddha, come. Let's walk. Come.
Musa,
ऊपर वो भी जब पुराने ट्रेडिशन में आते हैं लोग ऊपर वो
so we're just walking here in our street near our house. And this is how it is here, and it's night time. Musa, Don't run. Ha! This clown will be there with the shark teeth. Shark teeth daw, hindi shark.
Yan na, tapos ipagyan.
Ang kulit ni Musa, takbo ng takbo.
Musa,
Oh,
come back.
I come in with a slow motion. Shh. Hold BBG, hold BBG. Mr. Sun. Sun.
No. Mr. Moon.
Hello, Mr. Sun. Please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Moon. Okay, because it's moon. There is a moon.
Mama,
Yes?
Lam has changed the... He changed that one.
Which
Look!
Okay, hold Mama.
Look, at that.
Yes, hold Mama, hold Mama. Hold Mama, don't run.
Wait, no! I told you.
There is a tricycle. There is a motorcycle.
Give me my hand. It's not your hand. It is my bone.
Yeah, it is your hand. It is your bone.
That is mine.
Para lang bitawan ko, di ba? Why is it too dark? Is it okay?
He's standing there on the back.
Musa, come here.
I have my phone out. I'm coming.
See, your eyes is... It seems like your eyes are flaming. Quiet.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Don't run. Don't run.
5.
Kulit. Very naughty boy. Too naughty. Ganda ng moon, guys. Tingnan niyo. Wow. Sa ilalim ng puting ilaw, sa dilaw ng buwan. Talagang paborito eh, no? Ang iyong ganda'y umaabot sa buwan. Ang tibok ng puso'y dinig sa kalawakan at bumabalik dito sa akin. Ikaw ang mahal, ikaw lang ang mamahalin. Pakinggan ng puso't damdamin, damdamin aking damdamin.
107.5.
Hello guys, this is just for fun. I am just happy that I am road to 22k subscribers now. And this is just my way of saying thank you to each and every one of you for subscribing my channel, supporting me, and always watching my videos. Thank you so much everyone. I want you all to know that I appreciate each and every one of you. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Damo, gid nga salamat sa inyong nga tanan. Rak-rak, gid nga salamat kaninyong nga tanan. Buhat shukriya. Musa, what do you want to say to our bashers?
Be nice, guys.
Musa, come here. Ayun, yung red light. That is our CCTV. Hello to whoever is watching. That's our CCTV in the house. And I think there is one more on this side. The one more here. And here, facing on the other side.
Musa, come inside.
He was looking for that. What happened to our tea?
The tea is still not cooked, na?
Still not cooked, guys. Isa! What happened, Book? Are you okay, Isa? Come here. He slided, I think.
Oh, chicken, let's make a coffee.
Sit down here.
Chicken is making the coffee. What do you mean?
They make it the coffee. No.
I think you need to blow in it, Shabas.
No, let it be. It will cook.
Acha. ठीक.
Wait. My
It will cook slowly. Like how many hours more?
It will give nice taste, huh? The taste will be nice.
painful.
What is painful?
My feet is painful.
Put your hair. You don't want to cut your hair now. Everyone now is saying that your hair is covering your eyes. You will sleep tonight. Then I will cut your hair.
No, I will fight you.
You will fight me? Okay, don't take this. You will fight me if I cut your hair?
No.
You are not Johnny. You will eat sugar?
Eat
Here.
you.
You are not Johnny.
I'm a
No.
monkey.
You're a monkey.
लासे पांदा है यार
Yes.
ले देखा नहीं आई देख रो
It's an imaginary Coke. Tito was drinking an imaginary Coke.
Here, take this one.
Bubblegum.
Coke. Coke.
Bubblegum.
See, he will drink an imaginary Coke.
Bubblegum. Bubblegum.
Musa, you will sleep tonight and then Mama will cut your hair. I will make you taklo. I still didn't cut your hair. Why are you reacting so much?
I said, stop cutting my hair.
Why? Ami dalo? Asadan. Now we're going to transfer it here. Musa, don't touch the table.
Please. Please. Please.
And of course, for me, Shabazz, be careful. Musa, be careful.
What?
I'm always confused about Musa and Shabazz.
Oi! What are you doing my sugar?
I want to put sugar and Shabazz. So I'm just melting my sugar. And then I'm gonna transfer it. Or my mom. I'm gonna transfer it.
बहुत टेस्टी बहुत अच्छी है
You make it blood.
How to make it blood?
See?
Flood?
Blood.
It's flood. Be careful, it's hot. Oh, it's so nice. Nice.
ये कामटी इधर आओ ये टीका देता है ना देखा जाऊ चला गया डोला जा ये फोन मत कर यार Did you?
What else do I have to carry back inside? Okay, that's all.
Mama,
Yes, Musa.
eating sugar.
No, Musa.
Mommy, you alive?
No, I'm not lying, Musa.
Open your mouth.
भाई छोटा सा था ना तो इस्लामाबाद गया कि आपा का वो खुशी दूध पा के खा रहा था
Yummy.
सिद्रा की भाई ना
Mama.
दूध था
Mama.
नो आपा यस आपा
Yes, sir.
जी मुझा
No. Eating sugar?
नो मुझा telling a lie
Papa.
Yes, Musa.
Eating sugar?
No, Musa. Open
Tell me
your
why.
mouth. No, open your mouth. No, I'm not lying. Open your mouth. Ha ha ha.
Look there for the
Boing. Coffee.
Tito will drink tea. You want to drink tea?
You want drink tea?
Tea. What's good, tea?
This boy will become Pakistani. These Pakistani ways.
भाई टीवी को चाय बना दी मैं वो देखे मैं चाय पीता
चला गया
Why?
Pakistani ways.
मुझे
No, now there is some tea inside. Oi, Tito, you like it?
You like the tea?
He
Mai chai.
Then you shout Zindabad.
Ini mai so chai bi mai.
Zindabad. He eats also the booty. He eats also meat. He eats spicy.
अच्छा ये मिर्चा वाली चीज
Spicy खाना।
पाकिस्तान में
Oh, ini mai dengan mai dengan kamar ini.
Tito, spicy kana na. Wait, Tito, now you're drinking the... Oh my gosh. Yay, finish! Finish!
मैंने भी मेरी खोली मैं खोल के देखता हूँ मैंने इवेंट चेक
हाय हाय मिर्चा कुछ हो रहा है देख लीजिए हाय 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 मिर्चा लीजिए
खाना पूरी सारी मैंने शॉर्ट नहीं है खराब
बोतल
नहीं
में डाल के दे दिया करो
है
Huh? Now, barbecue party is over. So dito na lang ako mag-outro. So that's all for this vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed having, you know, barbecue with us. This is how we do the barbecue with family. So yun, this reminds me of how we do it in the Philippines. Actually, we like to make barbecue when we go to the beach or when we go to some beach resort or some resort in the mountain. So yun. So anyway, that's all for this vlog, guys. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Goodbye, guys.
Hi guys!
Goodbye.
Welcome to the video!
You're saying welcome. You should have said that earlier. Now you say goodbye, guys. We will eat dinner now. Only you and Lisa will eat dinner now because Mama, Papa, and BBG finished. Musa.
Wait, no, there's a chicken bar! There's a fire!
So yun lang. Thank you so much, everyone.